Okay, so this one is a combination of assisted pull-ups and then combination siya ng assisted na dips. Okay, so now we're gonna perform the 3 variations of assisted pull-ups. Okay, so let's start with the wide assisted pull-ups. Okay, so grab niyo muna yung wide grip and then tungtong kayo sa support and then go down and then go up. Yan. Okay, go down. Then sige, sagad pa. Up. Okay, nice. Then down. Okay, so contract nyo yung lats nyo pag nasa taas. Yan, contract and then go stretch out. Okay, so proceed tayo sa second variation which is the parallel grip na assisted pull-ups. Okay, so same pa rin, tungtong sa support and then dun sa parallel grip. And then go perform. Go down, stretch out, and then contract. Nice one. And then go down and then squeeze. Yeah. So now we're gonna perform the third variation which is the underhand. Okay, so place your hand, underhand the bar, and then pasok ay support, and then from all the way down, go pull. Ayan. And then slow release. Nice one. Stretch out, go squeeze, and then go down. Ayan. Okay, so make sure nyo na squeeze nyo yung back nyo once na nagko-contract kayo sa taas. And then stretch out, and then go squeeze. So para sa mga beginner, try nyo mag-aim at least 6 to 8 reps. Okay? And then sa mga intermediate, try nyo until failure. Since assisted naman siya, okay lang. Mag-go kayo to failure na reps. Okay, so magpuproceed naman tayo sa second ng combination ng machine. So which is the assisted dips. Okay, sa dips, meron tayong dalawang variation pwedeng gawin. Okay, so sa first, pwede natin i-emphasize ang chest. And then ang second naman is yung ating triceps, okay? So punta tayo dito sa support. Pwede natin tanggalin yung support if kaya nyo namang i-body weight yung sarili nyo sa dips, okay? So pull lang natin tong hinge na to and then kusa ng bababa yung support, okay? So now, perform natin yung dips for chest nang walang support, okay? So punta lang kayo sa dips and then up kayo and then feet together and then lean forward. Okay. Then go down. Then up. So, proceed naman tayo sa second variation ng dips. Okay? For tricep naman tayo. Ngayon, gagamitin natin yung support. Okay? So, up lang natin to. Kusa na mag-click. Okay. And then, tricep tayo. Okay? So, patong tayo sa support. Ayan. So, para ma-emphasize natin yung tricep, hindi tayo naka-lean forward. So, kumbaga naka-upright position lang. And then, squeeze yung tricep, then go down, then up. Okay, so dito naman sa assisted pull-ups, if ang goal nyo is for wider back, go kayo sa wider grip. Okay, sa outer grip, wider grip. Okay, and then if go mo naman or yung target mo is lats or lower lats, mag-go kayo sa underhand grip. Dito, ayan. Okay? And then for the mid-back, go kayo sa neutral or parallel grip. Okay? So yun ang variations ng assisted pull-ups and then the dalawang variations ng dips na assisted.